All right, so the mode is kind of the measure of central tendency that I see the least and is the least most talked about. Mean is the average. We use that all the time. Median is like the typical value, the one in the middle. When they're ordered from smallest to largest, don't forget to order them. Mode is the most common value. It's the value that occurs the most frequency. Very frequently, it's used with categorical data. So the previous two, mean and median, only make sense for quantitative data, okay, for numbers that have meaningful values and size. But this can be used for both categorical and quantitative data. And so if several categories have the same frequency, then it is possible to have more than one mode. Okay, so it's the one that occurs most frequently, but if two things are just as frequent, then the mode will be both of them. And if everything only occurs once, so if everything is tied for the same frequency, then there's no mode. So the first one is the definition. These last two are just for fringe cases. All right, they don't happen all the time, but something to watch out for because it's kind of a weird situation if one of these two things happens. So just keep that in mind. There is no mode if everything only occurs once, and if there's a tie, then there's multiple modes. Okay, let's do these examples. All right, so let's go all the way back to 9.1, find the mode. We just have to count how many times each thing happens. So blue is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blues. Green is 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, as soon as I know this, I know that green is not the mode, right? The mode is the thing that occurs most frequently. So currently our mode contender is blue. Red occurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There's a tie. Blue and red both occur 5 times. So in this case, the mode is blue and red. Okay? These occur the most frequently. That's our interpretation. And again, nice box. Mean, what is the mean here? What is the median here? Those are meaningless quantities, okay? Means and medians are only for quantitative data. This is categorical data. So that we can talk about the mode here, but we can't talk about the things from the previous video this week. Find the mode from a frequency table. And again, for this one, if you wanted to, you could write all of this in GeoGebra, right? You could go over here, type in all of these weights just like we have before, make a histogram, look at the stats, and the mode, it's not on here. It's not on here. You're not going to use GeoGebra for this. You can use other technology though. Caught me by surprise, that one. So the mode is the thing that just occurs the most frequently. So we look at the frequencies. All right, let's find the biggest frequency. And there might be multiple. Find the biggest frequency. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Frequencies? That didn't work. Frequencies. All right. There might be multiple of them. I don't know how you write that when it's a weird word like this. So, right, what's the biggest frequencies? These two. The most common thing occurs 4 times. 85 pounds and 110 pounds occur the most frequently. That's modes. Pretty sure that's all we're doing for modes. Yep. Next, we're going to do measures of variation, which is where some people start to get some mathematical headaches. But don't worry, I have mathematical Motrin or ibuprofen or acetaminophen or whatever kinds of, or maybe let's end this metaphor and end this video. Good luck. Bye-bye.